Gusty winds, brief heavy rainfall. That means visibilities will be limited. That's what we have to worry about overnight. First alert future scan we'll talk about in a second, but here you see the big picture on clouds and radar. This is the line. It's fairly thin, not much redevelopment. So once the big show goes through with some noise and the possibility of gusty winds and torrential rainfall, things should calm down for your weekend. Just not going to be that much cooler. Here's a look at First Alert Future Scan. And it looks like things are going to still move farther to the east and southeast by midnight or so, right over the KC Metro, and I think a little farther to the east by that time, accelerating a little more than what Future Scan is showing. Then heavy downpours between midnight and 2, farther down 50 Highway, not clearing the entire viewing region until 4 in the morning, but by that time I'm sure the watch won't even be an issue anymore. 7 o'clock, partly cloudy skies, maybe a hint of fog. Your 12-hour forecast has it starting in the 70s, ending up with a high about 86 to 88 degrees. Good deal of sunshine, and those northwest winds will continue at 5 miles an hour. And as you notice here, the brief break we get with the change in wind flow, 80s like Chillicothe, 84, Trenton, 84 degrees, 85 in Leavenworth, Ottawa, 86 degrees. Here's the exclusive First Alert 9-day forecast. Just a few more hours of the alert day and then calmer conditions on Saturday. 71 to 88 degrees, close to 90, sweltering, but then here comes the real heat. Impact days, Monday through Wednesday, hot. Heat index between 100 and 105 degrees. Your high temperatures in the mid to upper 90s and staying there. And look at our normal high, should be at 87, but we're going to stay in the 90s probably for the rest of that 9-day forecast. Another chance of rain next Thursday and Friday.